So today we are dealing with social science, social science for primary classes. Here we have a very interesting chapter, and that is age of exploration. I'm sure you might be knowing the meaning of exploration. Exploration means to explore something, किसी चीज को find out करना कि यहाँ कैसे जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे, कुछ नई चीजों को find out करना. So चलिए हम इसको पढ़ते हैं. एंड इफ यू लाइक माय चैनल, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब फॉर वंडरवर्ल्ड मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन. सो एज ऑफ एक्सप्लोरर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज एक्सप्लोरर्स? Actually, what happened during the mid 15th and the mid 16th centuries, many European explorers set out to find sea route to the east. अब बात यह आती है कि सी रूट की जरूरत ही क्यों पड़ी जब इतने सारे लैंड रूट्स थे. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, जब लैंड रूट्स जो थे उसमें चलिए उससे पहले हम ट्रेड समझते हैं कि जो ट्रेड था, जो एशियंस थे, दे वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यूरोपियंस, क्योंकि एशिया में सब कपड़ा और स्पाइसेस, द क्लॉथ एंड द स्पाइसेस वर मेड इन एशिया एंड यूरोपियंस दे रिक्वायर्ड इट. एंड द लैंड रूट वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय अरब ट्रेडर्स. They resisted the presence of Europeans. So for Europeans to keep trading, they wanted another route beside the land route. So they started the sea route. Now Portugal and Spain took the lead in discovering the sea route. The idea of making huge profits often led rulers to pay for the voyages. Voyages मतलब sea route पे जो हम ship से जाते हैं. The start was made by the Portuguese Prince Henry, the navigator. Soon others followed. So let's see who all followed. So the first was Bartholomew Diaz. Now in 1488, Bartholomew Diaz, a Portuguese explorer, he reached the southern tip of Africa. He could not go further as the sea was very rough. So he named the place Cape of Storms. Later it was renamed Cape of Good Hope because it offered explorers the hope of reaching the east. And now the second one was Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer. In 1492 he set out from Spain to find a sea route to the east. His expedition was funded by the king Ferdinand and Queen Isabel of Spain. Then the next was Vasco da Gama. Now Vasco da Gama, all the Indians know about Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer in 1497. He started his voyage from Lisbon in Portuguese. His trip was funded by King Manuel I on Portugal. He took the same route as Bartholomew Diaz and reached the Cape of Good Hope. Thereafter he sailed northward. In 1498 he reached Calicut. Today we call it Kozhikode. He was the first European to reach India by sea. Then there was Ferdinand Magellan. Now Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese explorer between 1519 and 1521. He sailed round the world during this voyage. He discovered a passage between the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. This passage was later called Strait of Magellan. Very important this is. Now we should know what instruments did these explorers used. They used a compass, they used a astrolabe and a quadrant to show them the direction. So this chapter is very easy. I'm sure you might have understood. If you have any problem, put it in the comment box. With that, thank you. Wonderworld Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur.